Hi, this is Michael Coberly, and it is now August, and this is my podcast for Fundamentals of Physics, and I'm in Section 2, and my instructor is Ryan Oyler. Today I wanted to explain how the basic physics of a drum head works, and how you can use different materials to get the same kind of reaction. My materials are going to consist of this Glad saran wrap and a drumstick. Also a drum key to take off the head and tighten and loosen the lugs on the drum. And also going to consist of one 10-inch tom off of the drum set. So the idea is when you strike the drum head with the drumstick, it's going to create a vibration, and the drum head is going to move up and down and at a certain frequency, and your ears are going to collect the frequency and the waves, and you will hear overall the overtones of the drum. And basically when you tighten or loosen the head, it's going to create the drum head to vibrate either faster or slower. So I'm going to start here by taking off the drum head with my drum key, in not necessarily any particular order to take the drum head off. Now you can see here I have the drum and the saran wrap, and I'm putting it over where the old drum head used to be. I'm going to try to get it as tight as possible. Here's the saran wrap on the drum without the rim on it, and now I'm going to finger tight all the lugs on the rim to the drum. Now I'm hitting the saran wrap with the drumstick. As you can see, it didn't work out as well because there wasn't a rim on the saran wrap to necessarily keep it tight and even. I tried to keep it as evenly possible, so I ended up not necessarily using the lugs, but I used my hand to change the pitch more or less, and to tighten it and loosen it. You can see here that the pitch is changing a little bit if you listen carefully. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the original drum head back on by finger tightening all the lugs back onto the drum. There's a certain pattern you use to tighten down the drum head with the key, which can be called the star pattern or the spider pattern. It just makes sure there's even tension on the drum head when you're tightening it down. And I'm hitting it, and you can see the drum head is really loose and floppy. I'm going to tighten it once more. And now the pitch has gone up a little bit because it's vibrating faster. You might be able to see the drum head move a little bit. I'm going to tighten it once more. And now this is the final high pitch, kind of close to where the tom should be in reference to the correct note. So this is going to conclude my podcast. So basically what we've found out today is saran wrap doesn't work all that well as far as drum head, just because it's hard to get the equal tension without a rim around it, but it definitely did change pitch when you tightened it, because the more you pull it tighter, then the faster the head vibrates, or the saran wrap in this case, and the faster something vibrates, the shorter the wavelength, the higher the pitch. Same case with the drum head, worked a lot better because it's actually meant for it. But anyway, that's it.